Hey guys, I'm Zippy.
And I'm Ted.
We are so glad that you've joined us today.
It's going to be a great Sunday, kids. Let's see what's up first.
He's the one who puts the moon in the sky. He's the one who hung the stars one by one. He's the one who makes the birds sing. He's the one who makes your dreams so high. He's the one who makes me smile. Day by day, Jesus, you're my superhero. You're my star, my best friend. Jesus, you're my superhero. You're my star, my best friend. Yeah, 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 yeah. Better than Spider-Man. Yeah, 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 yeah. Better than Superman. Yeah, 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 yeah. Better than Batman. Yeah, 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 yeah. Better than anyone. Jesus, you're my superhero. You're my star, my best friend. Jesus, you're my superhero. You're my star, my best friend. Jesus, you're my superhero. You're my star, my best friend. Jesus, you're my superhero. You're my star, my best friend. Yeah, 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 yeah. Better than Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah, 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 yeah. Better than Bobby. Yeah, 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 yeah. Better than Action Man. Better than anyone. Jesus, you're my superhero. You're my star, my best friend. Jesus, you're my superhero. You're my star, my best friend.
Hi, I'm Sophie, and this is Little Life.
My little hands together pray to you. My little feet together follow you. I lift my eyes and look to you, and my heart will love you. God, you are my Father. Jesus Christ, my friend. Holy Spirit, you help me on my way.
Now you know Little Life.
Ngesilehla namhlanje lithola kancwadi ka-Exodus 3 verse 6. Exodus 3 verse 6 ifundeka kanje. Wathi uNkulunkulu kuMose, nginguNkulunkulu kayihlo, uNkulunkulu ka-Abraham, nginguNkulunkulu ka-Isaka, noNkulunkulu kaJakobe. uMose wasitha ubuso bakhe ngokuba wayesaba ukubheka uNkulunkulu. Sanibonani bantwana, ngiyathemba niyaphila, niyalalela, niyawenza umsebenzi wesikole. Njengoba ezinye izikole zingekavula, ezinye seyivulile. Ngiyathemba niyawagqoka ama-mask wenu ukuze nikhuseleke kulesifo esikhona. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nijabulelile indumiso nevesi lanamhlanje. So ukuqhubeka kulokhu ekwakhulunyiwe kusonto elidlule kunifundiswa kona uthobeka nomimi. Isihloko sasithi mbone okubonayo. Banye benu bazokhumbula uma wayilalele. Isihloko sithi mbone okubonayo. So ivesi lethu lizoba lapha ku-Exodus. So ngizocela ukuthi musuqeda ulalela le message namhlanje utsheleke iBhayibheli kuma noma ubaba bese uyayifundela incwadi kaExodus 3 yonke uzokwazi ukuthi kukhulunywa ngani. Mina ngizokusummarizela nje namhlanje ngendaba yesikhathi asinaso isikhathi. So incwadi kaExodus isitshela ukuthi kwakhona indoda eyizwana noNkulunkulu, babe nobudlelwane obudeep noNkulunkulu, bekhuluma bezwana ngazo zonke izikhathi. So igama lendoda kwakuwuMose. uMose wayelusa izimvu zikababezala wakhe ogama liuJethro. So wayethatha izimvu njalo zonke izinsuku ahambe ozilusa, ayinakekele, zidle, nezomile ahambe oyiphuzisa amanzi, abuye ayihlalele, ayibheke nje ukuthi kungabikho lutho oluzokwenzeka ezimvini zikababezala wakhe. So ukwenza lokho njalo engakhonondi, ejabule nje uthanda umsebenzi wakhe. So kuthe ngelinye ilanga wathi esabhekile njalo elusile izimvu lezo, wabona isihlahla sivutha. Waxakeka ukuthi abe kwenzakalani kulesa sihlahla, indaba sivutha. Wathi sabhekile kanjalo wabona ukuthi abe lesihlahla siyavutha kodwa asipheli. Wacabanga ukuthi ake ngisondele ngiyobheka ukuthi kwenzakalani kulesi sihlahla. Wahamba uMose, wahamba. Wathi mesezofika ngasesihlahleni eseduzane, wezwa iphimbo elikhulu lithi, Mose, khumula imbadada, lo mhlaba omikuwo ungcwele. uMose waxakeka ukuthi liqhamuka kuphi lelo phimbo elingaka. Wabheka emaceleni akaboni umuntu, ngoba uMose wayemuzwa uNkulunkulu, babe nobudlelwane naye, wayeselazi ngisho izwi lakhe. Waqonda ukuthi uNkulunkulu ke lo okhuluma nami othi angikhumule icathulo ngoba lo mhlaba ungcwele. uMose wasaba kakhulu, wayisitha ubuso bakhe ngaleso sikhathi leso. Kodwa esayisithile ubuso bakhe, laqhubeka iphimbo lakhuluma noMose. Isifundisani lento yanamhlanje, lesifundo sanamhlanje lisifundisa ukuthi asimbone osibonayo. Ubani osibonayo? uNkulunkulu uyasibona. Ukhumbule ukuthi ubona sonke, usibona sonke thina sihleli etendeni isandla sakhe. Njalo nje uyasibona, noma sikuphi, noma silele, noma senzani, yena uyasibona. So ukuze nathi simbone kumele sivule amehlo ethu, singafani noMose siyisithe uma ekhuluma nathi ngoba simsaba. Yebo kumele simsaba uNkulunkulu ngokuthi singenzi izinto ezimbi, singenzi izinto angajabuli uma sizenza. Kanje ngokungalaleli abazali, ukuthuka inhlambi, senze konke okwenziwa ngabantu abala emhlabeni. Sikhumbule ukuthi thina sisehlukile kunabanye abantu ngoba singabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. So kumele athi mekhuluma nathi siphakamise amehlo ethu sithi yebo Baba, singafihli njengoMose, ukuze nathi sizwane noNkulunkulu, simbone, ngoba sithi isihloko mbone okubonayo. Uma siyisitha njengoMose ngeke simbone osibonayo. Ngishilo ngathi usibona njalo yena, angithi? So noma izimo kwenzekalani lethe ekhaya mhlawumbe, kumele wena ukhulume noNkulunkulu njalo. Ukhuluma kanjani noNkulunkulu? Uyathandaza, ufunda iBhayibheli, ukhuluma noNkulunkulu mawenza kanjalo. So uma ukhuluma naye njalo kuyenzeka ukuthi nibe nobudlelwane nizwane njalo. So wena kumele umbone okubonayo, ungafani noMose, umbone ngazo zonke izikhathi. Isifundo sethu sanamhlanje siyasifundisa ukuthi kumele sihlale noNkulunkulu njalo, kumele singamsabi njengoMose, kumele uma khona izinto ezenzeke empilweni zethu sigijime siye kuye, hayi ukuthi sicashe. Kumele siye kuye ngoba yena uyasiduduza, uyasithanda, uyasiphilisa, usenzela konke. So uma zenzeka izinto, umuntu wokuqala kumele sibalekele kuyena uyena uNkulunkulu. Usungaya ke kumama kodwa kumele uqale uthandaza. Sithi mhlawumbe ubhale exam esikoleni, kumele wenze njani? Ubalekele kuye ngoba yena unempendulo zonke futhi uyakuthanda ukufisela konke okuhle empilweni yakho. Kumele simbone osibonayo. uNkulunkulu usibona njalo. So kumele singacashi uthi mhlawumbe untshontsha into ucabanga ukuthi ngoba abantu abadala bangiboni kumele ngiyenze lento. uNkulunkulu uyakubona, kumele lokho uhlale ukwazi njalo njengoba wabona uMose inceku yakhe ayithandayo, nawe uyakuthanda kakhulu.
The Faithful Hall of Fame, Moses. This is Moses.
Heyo.
Moses was an Israelite boy born in Egypt in a time when Israelite boys were not supposed to live.
Wait, huh?
The Israelites were slaves to the Egyptians. But God had a special plan for Moses,
Oh, eh?
and he spent his childhood in the palace of the Pharaoh. You see, when Moses grew up, he made a big mistake.
Uh-oh.
Pharaoh found out what Moses had done, and he tried to have Moses killed.
Ah!
So Moses ran away from Egypt. He stopped in the land of Midian,
Ah.
and 7 sisters came to the well to give water to their father's flock. Some shepherds came to drive them away,
Hey, you.
but Moses stood up for the women.
Hey. Ow.
Now these sisters were the daughters of the Midianite priest named Jethro. When Jethro heard what Moses did for his daughters, he sent for Moses. So Moses came to live among the Midianites, and he married Zipporah, one of Jethro's daughters.
Huh?
Meanwhile, back in Egypt, the old Pharaoh died, but he was replaced by a new Pharaoh who continued to treat the Israelites poorly.
Oh, man.
The Israelites cried out to God because of the terrible things that the Pharaoh made them do. God heard these people and knew it was time to act. One day, Moses was tending Jethro's flock when an angel of the Lord appeared to Moses through a burning bush that would not burn up.
Whoa.
Moses stopped to look at the bush, and he heard the voice of God say, "Moses, Moses."
Hello?
God then told Moses how sad he was because of the suffering of his people. He told Moses that he wanted to do something about it, and he wanted Moses to be the one to do it.
Oh, man.
But Moses did not think he was the right person to go. God said, "I will be with you."
Morning.
But Moses said that he wouldn't know the right thing to say to the people. So God said to tell the people that God himself had sent him and promised Moses that his plan would be fulfilled through Moses. But Moses still said to God that he did not think the people would believe him. So God said, "What is that in your hand?"
Oh, me?
Moses said, "A staff." God told Moses to throw it on the ground.
Okay.
Then God told Moses to catch it. God showed Moses another sign
Huh? Phew.
and told him to show these signs to the people if they did not believe what he said. Moses still didn't think he would have the right words to say, but God said that he himself was the one who made a man's mouth and gave him the ability to speak, so there was no need to worry. Yet even after all this, Moses said, "God, please send someone else." Then God got mad at Moses,
Oops.
and said that he would send Moses' brother Aaron to speak for Moses. So Moses went back to his father-in-law and told him that he needed to go back to Egypt. Moses and his family started their journey back to Egypt, and Moses carried the staff of God in his hand, for this staff would be the tool God would use to demonstrate his awesome power to the Israelites and to the Egyptians.
Do you remember what we learned today? Let's see.
Okay, ngifuna ubonaka ukuthi benilalele yini, asiphendule imibuzo. Umbuzo wokuqala uthi ubani igama lale ndoda izwana noNkulunkulu? Owesibili uthi kwakuyini umsebenzi wale ndoda eyayizwana noNkulunkulu? Owesithathu uthi wathini uNkulunkulu kuyo? Owesine uthi thina njengabantwana bakaNkulunkulu singabakha kanjani ubudlelwane phakathi kobaba wethu nathi? Oqala impendulo yawo ithi igama layo kwakuwu Mose. Owesibili uthi wayengumelusi. Owesithathu uthi uNkulunkulu kuye uNkulunkulu ka yihlo ka Abraham, ka Isaka noNkulunkulu ka Jakobe. Owugcina singabakha ubudlelwane noNkulunkulu baba wethu ngokuthi sithandaze, simdumise, sifunde iBhayibheli. Uma senza lezo zinto sizokwazi ukwazana naye. Bye.
And remember that if you don't have the exact same things in the video, you can be creative by coloring in blank paper the color that you need, using scissors to cut, and finding other things that might help you.
And that's a wrap for today. We hope you had fun with us. See you at our Kids Zoom Connect.